Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna demonstrate you how to install GNS3 in Windows machine. So if you are fresher and wants to understand how to download, how to install GNS3 in Windows machine, so this video is going to be helpful for you. So let's get started without any further delay. So if you want to download GNS3, so first you need to go to GNS3 ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट राइट। तो पहले आपको GNS3 वेबसाइट पर जाना पड़ेगा। तो आप यहाँ देख सकते हो कि मैंने GNS3 ऑलरेडी ओपन कर रखा है राइट। तो आप GNS3 वेबसाइट पे क्लिक करोगे राइट। तो from here, as you can see that the software that empowers network professionals, right? Just click on this option, free download, right? So I would like to tell you one thing, अगर आपके पास यूजर अकाउंट नहीं है, till now you didn't configure your user on GNS3 portal, so first you need to create a account, right? So पहले आपको ये account create करना पड़ेगा, right? Then you can download it. So as you can see that I have already logging through my user account, right? So आपको विंडोज में डाउनलोड करना है तो आपको ये विंडोज डाउनलोड करना पड़ेगा, राइट? यहाँ पे आप डाउनलोड करोगे, then you can also read this installation guide as well as if you want to download GNS3 in Windows machine. So from here you have to click, then it will download it, right? One more thing, you have to download GNS3 VM, right? Just click on this option. So you have to download VMware Workstation and Fusion because I am going to install GNS3 in Windows machine with VMware Workstation, right? So I have already downloaded these two files right from the GNS3 portal. And one more thing, software you will have to download from the GNS3 portal. Just go to the marketplace, right? There is a software, click on this option, right? There is a VM Workstation Pro, which I have already downloaded, right? So you have to also download this software from this website, right? So three software are required to run the GNS3 in Windows machine. First one is a GNS3, right? And second is the GNS3 VM, and third one is a VMware Workstation Pro, right? This one is the third, right? And software, this one is the, पहले आपको ये डाउनलोड करना पड़ेगा, राइट? GNS3 चलाने के लिए, एंड देन यहाँ पे आप VM वर्कस्टेशन एंड फ्यूजन डाउनलोड करना पड़ेगा, राइट? देन तीसरा सॉफ्टवेयर आपको डाउनलोड करना पड़ेगा VM Workstation Pro 15.5 Pro, right? These three software I have already downloaded it, right, in my machine, Windows machine. So let me show you where I have downloaded these three software. So as you can see that GNS3 I have already downloaded, right? This is the latest version, right? 2.2.34. This is the latest version, and GNS3 VM I have downloaded, right? As you can see that, right? GNS3 VM.ovva, right? And third of software I have downloaded. So as you can see that new VM, right? It is the old version, right, which I have downloaded, right? And this is the key, right, of VM Workstation Pro. And when you download, जब आप डाउनलोड करोगे तो आपको ये VM Workstation Pro डाउनलोड करोगे तो आपको एक की मांगेगा, राइट? सो यहाँ पे मैंने 3 की रख रखा है जिससे मैं उसको ओपन करूंगा, राइट? दिस इज द लाइसेंस की, राइट? So let's go to install first GNS3, right? So just click on this option. So click on next, agree, next, right? So I'm going to keep this GNS3 on GNS3 desktop. That's why it is already clicked on GNS3 desktop, right? Next, next, right? Wait a minute until GNS3 get installed on the desktop, right? As you can see that it is installing and it is showing that please wait while GNS3 2.2.34 is being installed. So we have to wait until GNS3 get installed on the desktop, right? So setup was successfully completed, right? So as you can see that, then click on next, right? No, and then next, then finish, right? So GNS3 is successfully downloaded, right? So now I have to install VMware Workstation Pro, right? To run the GNS3. So go to new VM, which I have downloaded, right? Just click on this option, right? Double click, then run. As you can see that GNS3 is open. So as you can see, GNS3, I mean VMware Station Pro is. So as you can see that, welcome to the wizard. I think it is installed, right? So as you can see that, right? Then click on next. I accept and click on next. Then next. So as you can see that here it is showing that where you want to install this VM Workstation Pro. So I am going to have this VM Workstation Pro in C disk, right? So you can change from here where you want to install it, right? Then I'm going to click hit next, 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 install. So VM Workstation Pro is getting installed in my Windows machine, right? So please wait for a while until VM Workstation Pro get installed, right? So as you can see that completed the VM Workstation Pro setup wizard, right? So you have to click license key, right? So let me check it which key license key it is using. I'm going to copy this license key, right? Then I'm going to put here, right? So as you can see that VM Workstation Pro has been successfully downloaded, I mean installed in my Windows machine. Just finish it out, right? So now I'm going to right copy this GNS3 VM, right? So let me open the GNS VM workstation first, right? So as you can see that GNS3 has been installed in my desktop, right? Along with VM Workstation Pro. So I am going to open this VM Workstation Pro. So as you can see that it has been opened, right? तो आई थिंक यहाँ पर मैंने पहले से कोई GNS3 VM इंस्टॉल कर रखा था तो मुझे पहले इसे डिलीट करना पड़ेगा देन आई कैन इंस्टॉल न्यू वन राइट तो डोंट वरी राइट आई एम गोइंग टू कॉपी दिस GNS3 VM and put it on desktop right then paste here right so please wait for a while so as you can see that it has been installed on the desktop right so now I am going to ऐड दैट फाइल सो मुझे उस फाइल को ऐड करना है यहाँ पे राइट so just open and go to desktop and select this one right so as you can see that one VM GNS3 VM already installed So first I'm going to delete this one, right? So I'm going to copy this, right? URL, I mean path, and put it here, right? So as you can see that it is already installed, it was already installed. So I'm going to delete these things, right? So it has been deleted. So let me remove this one. So now I'm going to select that one, open, then click right here. So as you can see, then import. So it is importing, right? So please wait. So as you can see that it has been successfully imported, right? Virtual machine. So I'm going to edit this one. So I'm going to assign RAM for, right, 4 GB, right? Then processor I'm going to have 2 and 2. It is going to, okay. As you can see that RAM and processor has been added, right? Then start this one. So VM Workstation Pro is getting started. As you can see that GNS3 VM has been successfully installed in VM Workstation Pro, right? So now I am going to add the software. Sorry, I'm going to add images of Cisco routers. Just go to in this and go to setup wizard right here and run appliances in virtual machine. As you can see that it is saying that requires to download and install the GNS3 VM, and it is available for free, right? Just click next, right? And as you can see, this is the server path, and it is saying that host binding. You can bind the host, right? So I am going to leave this one default, and port is going to take 3080 TCP. Then I'm going to click next, next. So here it is saying that VM tool could not be found, right? Let me check on this one again. So as you can see, then click on next. Please select VM. If no VM listed, please check if the GNS3 VM is correctly imported. Press refresh, right? Then I'm going to click on refresh, right? So click on this refresh option, then click next, right? Then finish, right? So click here on the new project, right? So I'm going to have test name, right? Then click. You can save any of the folder. I'm going to have GNS3 test, right? So test one is already created test. So next. So as you can see that GNS3 is successfully installed. So now I am going to add Cisco image, right? So click on this option. So as you can see that it is already installed. So just click here. It will not go there. As you can see that missing image. So I am going to delete. Actually मैंने पहले से इसे installed किया था. That's why it is saying. That's why it is giving the error. I am going to delete this one. So as you can see, there are lots of images which I have downloaded. So I am going to delete these things, right? Delete. So first I have to import, right? Delete, delete, right? So all the images has been deleted. So now I am going to add Cisco image. I mean Cisco routers image. So just click on the edit option, right? References, right? Here is the Cisco. Then click new. I am going to run this iOS router on the. I am going to run Cisco images on GNS3 VM. Right, just click on this option. Then next, then new, then browse. As you can see that I have already downloaded it. Then click on it. Then import. To click on next, next, next. So here you can select the interface, which interface you want to install. So I am going to install gig Ethernet, right? Gig Ethernet, right? So there are four gig Ethernet and four serial interfaces, right? Then click next. So click on the idle PC, right? So you must click this option because अगर आप नहीं क्लिक करोगे तो आपका जो कंप्यूटर है वो या विंडोज मशीन है वो उसका जो सीपीयू लेवल है वो हाई जाएगा. दैट्स व्हाई आई वांट टू चूज आइडल पीसी फाइंडर. As you can see that this idle PC value has been found suitable for this image. Then finish, then apply, then OK. As you can see that there are general information, right? Then click, then OK. So click on this. As you can see that I have successfully installed Cisco router in GNS3, right? and I'm running this Cisco image on GNS3 VM. Just click on start and console. So as you can see that I got the console of router, Cisco router, right? So I interface brief. So as you can see that there are 4 gig Ethernet interface, right? And one fast Ethernet, right? And there are 4 serial interfaces, as you can see, right? So IP route. So I want to configure IP address, then click on this option, right? Sorry. So as you can see that IP address has been assigned. Let me show you one thing जो आपको बहुत जरूरत पड़ेगी इंजीनियरिंग में लैब करते समय, राइट? तो यहाँ पे मेरा एक क्लाउड है, राइट? लेट मी सेलेक्ट इट, GNS3 VM, राइट? Just click on Gig Ethernet 2x0, right? Click on Ethernet, right? Let me show you one thing. So here it is not showing the interfaces. Just click on this option, right? ABC. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि तो IP राउट ओनली एक सिंगल रूट है, राइट? तो अगर मैं चाहता हूँ कि मेरे इस GNS3 के अंदर इंटरनेट भी चले, राइट, आई मीन गूगल भी चले, तो आप वो कैसे अचीव कर सकते हैं? तो लेट मी शो यू वन थिंग। तो आईपी इंटरफेस, तो जो मेरा गीग इथरनेट 2x0 इंटरफेस है विच इज कनेक्टेड टू द गूगल आई मीन क्लाउड, विच इज कनेक्टेड टू द क्लाउड, राइट? कॉन्फ़िग इस कॉन्फ़िग इंटरफेस gig ethernet 2x0 IP address TSCP, no shutdown. Let's see what happened. So IP interface brief. So as you can see that till now there is no IP address has been assigned on gig Ethernet 2x0 interface. So here as you can see that, right, I got the IP address, right, from the DSCP. So IP interface, so IP interface 3. As you can see that I got the IP address. So let me show you the routing table. So IP route. So as you can see that there are 2 routes, right? So one more thing, हमें 192.168.79.0 की सीरीज का IP एड्रेस क्यों मिला, राइट? तो यहाँ पे देख सकते हो कि जो मेरा ये GNS3 VM को IP एड्रेस मिला हुआ उसी के सीरीज का यहाँ पे हमें DSCP से एक IP एड्रेस मिल रहा है, राइट? अगर मैं गूगल को पिंग करना चाहूँ, लेट मी पिंग फ्रॉम 192.168. Let me check the IP address of GNS3 79.128, right? Sorry, 128. So as you can see that I'm not able to ping. Even I'm not able to ping Google DNS as well as, because there is no route, right? Ping 8.8.8.8. तो आप देख सकते हो कि यहाँ पे मेरे को गूगल आईपी एड्रेस भी नहीं पिंग हो रहा, राइट? सो अगर आप यहाँ पे एक इंटरफेस को चेंज भी करते हो, लेट मी शो यू ये वाले इंटरफेस को, राइट? अगर आप वन इथरनेट 1 लगाते हो, व्हाट हैपेंड, लेट मी चेक. तो आईपी इंटरफेस पे इंटरफेस 2 by 0 शट डाउन. अब देखते हैं कौन सा आईपी एड्रेस मिल रहा है, राइट? तो तो आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो 23 के सबनेट का आईपी एड्रेस मिल रहा है. तो let me 192.168.8. So as you can see that I am able to ping Google DNS, right? So it means there is internet connectivity is fine, right? Right. So these IP address I am getting from the my Wi-Fi IP address. So let me show you. So as you can see that it is, click on this option, right? तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो 193 है, right? But I am getting the IP address from the net IP, right? So let me show you. तो यहाँ पे आप आओगे VM पे, राइट? तो यहाँ पे आप क्लिक करोगे मैनेज. तो यहाँ पे देख सकते हो एक नेटवर्क एडेप्टर है, होस्ट ओनली, राइट? होस्ट ओनली है, एंड सेकंड वन इज नेट, राइट? सो यू कैन ऐड वन मोर, राइट? नेटवर्क एडेप्टर, क्लिक ऑन नेटवर्क, फिनिश, right? Click on this option and bridge it, right? Then okay. तो एक बार मशीन रिस्टार्ट होकर के दोबारा आ पाएगी GNS3 VM, right? So let's see now. As you can see that I am getting the same IP address, right? Which I have earlier found, right? So इस तरीके से आप अपने GNS3 के अंदर गूगल को चला सकते हो, इंटरनेट को चला सकते हो, पिंग 8.8.8.8, राइट। तो सो आईपी रूट यहाँ पे आप चेक करोगे कि यहाँ पे एक डिफॉल्ट रूट मिलेगा, राइट, जो कि इसका गेटवे है 192.168.23.2, राइट। तो यहाँ पे मैं आपको दिखाऊं, तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि दो वीएम एडेप्टर क्रिएट हो रखे हैं। तो क्लिक ऑन दिस ऑप्शन एज वेल। So this machine IP address is getting 192.168.79.1, जो कि मेरा GNS3 VM का IP एड्रेस है। Let me check from this machine as well. So as you can see that जो 192.168.23.1 IP एड्रेस जो मिल रहा है इस अडेप्टर को, वो मेरे वाईफाई के एड्रेस से मिल रहा है, राइट। सो यही इसी सबनेट का जो आईपी एड्रेस है वो मेरे राउटर के इंटरफेस को मिल रहा है, राइट। तो आईपी इंटरफेस तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि 192.168.23.129 जो मेरा इस सबनेट से मिल रहा है, राइट, जो VM8 है। So as you can see that. So in next video, I will show you how to install Cisco router in GNS3 along with FortiGate firewall, and I will also talk about if you want to install browser in GNS3. So I will show you how to install and well as so first firewall. So thank you for watching this video till the end, right? So if you have understood anything, so please like and subscribe my channel. So thank you for watching this video.